Hey everyone, I'm Shannon Trall, writer for Finder.com's share trading and investing channel. And I'm here to give you the ins and outs of the Webull stock trading platform. We'll take a look at the platform's fees, available securities, and the general ease of use. Let's dive in. Webull's investment lineup includes stocks and ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency. You can open an individual brokerage account, or you can save for your retirement by opening a traditional or Roth IRA. However, you won't have access to mutual funds, bonds, or over-the-counter stocks. Webull's platform and trading tools empower all types of investors to get the most out of their money. It offers zero-commission trades and advanced tools, as well as a powerful mobile platform that allows investors to trade from just about anywhere. New investors will find helpful tools, free trades, and no initial deposit requirements. So short-term investors, mobile users, and novices will find plenty to like about Webull. Let's take a look under the hood and see what research tools that Webull users can access. You'll find watch lists to review data for any stock on the platform, with a separate list for stocks that you actively trade. These watch lists allow you to monitor key metrics for the stocks that you select, including price, volume, market movements, and more. You can add stocks to your watch list by symbol or name, and view your picks in a list or grid format. Clicking a stock in your watch list opens up the stock chart, where you can set volume and price alerts. You can compare data from anywhere between a minute to a year. And the drawing tool offers access to trend lines, polylines, rays, parallels, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, and more. Key statistics for your stock include highs, lows, dividend yields, financial forecasts, and press releases. Add multiple stocks to compare your options, and use the Notes tool to attach any noteworthy findings to your watch list. You can also monitor data in 4 primary market tabs, including Global, US, Hong Kong, and Cryptos. The Cryptos tab offers a list of 15 cryptocurrencies on the Bitfinex exchange, while the Global tab offers worldwide index and forex stats. The Hong Kong and US tabs provide index data, as well as net inflow, rankings, trends, and market news. Webull also allows you to create your own stock screener by entering the data that you would most like to monitor, including market cap, prices, percent changes, volume, turnover rates, and listing dates. And if you're not quite ready to trade, Webull offers paper trading for free. This demo account allows you to practice trading without actually investing any of your money. You can enter hypothetical trades that are based on real market data, buy and sell stocks, monitor your buying power, and track daily profits and losses, all without having to risk a dime. There are a lot of factors that make Webull an attractive trading platform, but it may not be for everyone. Webull doesn't charge commissions for trades. It also provides powerful research tools, and it requires no minimum deposit. But investors who are searching for mutual funds, bonds, or over-the-counter stocks will have to look elsewhere. And if you need to borrow money to trade, you'll need at least $2,000 in your account. Before you open a Webull account, you will need to meet a few eligibility requirements. First, you need to be 18 or older. You'll also need a valid residential address in the United States, have a valid state-issued ID, and a valid social security number. You can sign up via desktop by downloading the desktop app, tapping on the avatar on the bottom right, and clicking Sign Up. From there, the process is pretty similar to signing up via the mobile app. You'll visit your phone's app store to download the Webull app. Next, open the app and click the Open Account tab. You'll enter your personal information, employment information, and investment information. Next, you'll upload a photo of your identification to verify your identity. Then, you'll answer some questions about your affiliations. Finally, you'll agree to the account terms and disclosures. Now, you'll be able to choose your account type, verify your email, and submit your application. Webull offers short-term investors, mobile app users, and novice investors plenty to love. There are no minimum deposits to unlock commission-free trades and powerful research tools. But its limited securities may turn off investors searching for mutual funds, over-the-counter stocks, or bonds. For more on Webull, you can check out our Webull review, which is linked in the description box below. And if you liked this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss a new Finder video. Thanks for watching.